All right, so I love summer just as much as you guys do, but you know what I really hate about summer is that the sun's out, it's beating down on the car. I know I'd have to go out there, get in the car, it's so hot and mucky, and it's just hot, right? Well, wouldn't it be nice that you have a way to roll down the windows without actually getting to the car? You can use your key fob to let it air out. Well, you can. It's easy. All you have to do is hit lock once, double tap on lock twice, and hold it as you hit it the second time, and watch all the windows roll right down. Now it's gonna air out. I get out there and I'm not sweating to death. Now let's say for any example, I change my mind, right? Well, on the back of your key fob, there's a little lip right here. Let's move that right over. A hard to do one-handed. There we go, got it. Put your key right in, double tap, hold, and watch everything close right back up. I don't have to get in and start the car or anything. Moonroof and all of that closes. That easy.